Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the presentation on DTC P0461 regarding the fuel level sensor issue in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. DTC P0461 indicates a problem with the fuel gauge sending unit, specifically a circuit range or performance problem. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is registered when the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, detects an abnormality in readings from the fuel level sensor after the vehicle has been driven without refueling for a sufficient distance. Understanding the role of the fuel level sensor, which is crucial for providing accurate fuel level readings, is essential for effectively diagnosing and troubleshooting this issue. The sensor is integrated with the fuel tank unit and directly communicates with the PCM. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the detailed symptoms, possible causes, troubleshooting steps, and preventive measures related to DTC P0461. The error described by DTC P0461 indicates an issue with the fuel level sensor, also referred to as the fuel gauge sending unit. This component is essential in measuring the amount of fuel in the tank and sending that information to the PCM. When the vehicle fails to provide accurate readings even after driving a required distance, the PCM logs this DTC to indicate a performance problem in the circuit. The fuel level sensor is located within the fuel tank, making its access a bit tricky. However, it is crucial to note that any irregularities in its operation can significantly affect fuel gauge readings. This could lead to misleading fuel levels displayed on the instrument panel, potentially causing inconvenience for the driver. The sensor's output is critical, and failure in providing the correct data leads to the DTC registration, marking this as an area to investigate during troubleshooting. Several factors can contribute to the occurrence of DTC P0461. One probable cause is inaccurate fuel level readings due to miscommunication between the fuel level sensor and the PCM. This miscommunication can stem from disconnections or interruptions within the circuit. Furthermore, if the fuel level sensor itself is defective, it will not provide the PCM with valid information, thus triggering the DTC. Another potential scenario includes small amounts of refueling that may cause inaccuracies if refueling was consistently less than 1.3 US gallons. Elements such as fuel draining during repairs or vehicle dynamics, like driving on slopes, can also interfere with accurate readings. Understanding these causes is vital for effective troubleshooting and can save time during the repair process. When DTC P0461 is present, several symptoms are likely to manifest, with the most prominent being inaccurate fuel gauge readings. Drivers may notice that the gauge does not reflect the actual fuel level, leading to potential driving issues if low fuel conditions arise unnoticed. In some instances, a warning light may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem within the fuel system. Additionally, unexpected behavior in fuel level indications can be another symptom, where the gauge fluctuates or fails to respond appropriately during vehicle operation. These symptoms arise because the fuel level sensor does not operate as intended, prompting the need for thorough inspection and testing of the fuel gauge sending unit and related circuits. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0461 is to engage with the customer regarding their refueling habits. Specifically, one needs to check if they have been refueling with less than 1.3 US gallons at each occasion. This information is crucial, as frequent low refuels can significantly impact the readings from the fuel level sensor. If the customer confirms this practice, it is essential to consult the owner's manual on proper refueling procedures and inform them regarding the potential effects of low-volume refuels on sensor performance. This initial inquiry helps shape the diagnostic approach and can lead to quicker resolutions if improper refueling is indeed the underlying issue. The second troubleshooting step involves conducting a test of the fuel gauge sending unit to determine its functionality. This step is crucial, as the unit's failure could directly contribute to the DTC being logged. While performing this test, it's also necessary to assess all electrical connections associated with the sending unit for any signs of damage, corrosion, or disconnection. Utilizing the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, is recommended for this process, as it allows technicians to access real-time data from the vehicle and monitor the performance of the fuel gauge sending unit. If the unit fails to meet the required specifications during testing, replacement may be necessary to resolve the P0461 code effectively. After completing repairs related to DTC P0461, it is critical to conduct a final repair verification process. Begin by clearing the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, from memory in the PCM to reset the system. Following this step, take the vehicle for a test drive to allow the fuel level sensor to recalibrate and provide accurate readings. During this test drive, monitor the fuel gauge's performance, ensuring it responds appropriately under normal driving conditions. Verify that the fuel gauge reflects the correct fuel level throughout the drive and that no warning lights are triggered on the dashboard. This comprehensive verification ensures that the repairs were successful and that the issue causing DTC P0461 has been effectively resolved. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0461. One key aspect is educating customers on proper refueling practices, especially emphasizing the importance of adequate fuel quantities during each fill-up. Consistent low fill-ups can lead to sensor inaccuracies and irrelevant diagnostics over time. Additionally, conducting regular vehicle inspections is essential, where technicians can routinely check the condition of the fuel level sensor, along with its wiring and electrical connections. Keeping these components in good condition will significantly diminish the risks of future problems, enhancing reliability and the overall driving experience. In conclusion, understanding and effectively troubleshooting DTC P0461 is vital for ensuring the reliable performance of the fuel level sensor in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Key troubleshooting steps include engaging customers regarding their refueling practices, performing tests on the fuel gauge sending unit, and thoroughly verifying repairs afterward. This systematic approach can lead to a timely resolution of the issue, minimizing inconvenience for the driver. Additionally, emphasizing the importance of proper refueling practices can help prevent future occurrences of similar issues, contributing to the vehicle's longevity and performance. A well-maintained fuel system is crucial for the overall efficiency of any vehicle, and special attention should be given to the fuel gauge readings for safe and effective driving. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.